Hi and welcome to Measurement Video 6. In this video we're going to talk about volume and capacity. So the difference between using centimetres or metres cubed and using litres or millilitres. We'll convert between volumes and capacities, and we'll also discover some common conversion rates. So here you'll see I've got the two common conversions. And I'm going to talk about where they come from, but really you're going to have to just take my word that this is the base conversion. 1 milliliter is 1 centimetre cubed. And so with that in mind, if I wanted to do a conversion that involved metres cubed, let's draw a cube where I have 1 metre cubed here. And, sorry, that's 1 metre. And 1 metre here, and 1 metre here. And you might remember from our conversion of length, area and volume video that this is 100 centimetres, 100 centimetres and 100 centimetres, and so 1 metre cubed is equal to 100 times 100 times 100 centimetres cubed, and that is 1 million centimetres cubed. So using this first conversion rate, that therefore is equal to 1 million millilitres. And dividing that by 1,000 gives us 1,000 litres. So 1 metre cubed is equal to 1,000 litres. And it's probably important to note also here that 1 litre is equal to 1,000 millilitres, and equally 1 kilolitre is equal to 1,000 litres, and 1 megalitre is equal to 1,000 kilolitres. And so you can convert between them. There's no tricky little centi component here, like the centimetres in our lengths, so it's got a straight 1,000 conversion rate in each case. So let's have a look at some examples. Example 1. A dam contains 121 megalitres. How many cubic metres of volume is the dam? So 121 megalitres is equal to 121 times 1,000 kilolitres. And so this is 121,000 kilolitres. And this is equal to 121,000 times 1,000 litres, which is 121 million litres. And you remember that 1,000 litres is equal to 1 metre cubed. And we could actually backwards design this to say 1 kilolitre equals 1 metre cubed now. But remember this rate, so therefore to work out the number of metres cubed, we divide by 1,000 again, and that gives us 121,000 metres cubed. And that's what the question's asked. So there's our conversion. And now let's look at example 2, which is a little bit trickier. Calculate the number of litres of water that could be contained in a drink bottle that is made up of a cylinder with those dimensions and a cone on top that is half the height and the same radius as a cylinder. So let's start with a diagram. So here's my cylinder. The height of my cylinder is 15 centimetres, and the circumference, you remember, is that bit around there, and that is 25 centimetres. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is calculate the radius. The circumference is 2 pi r, and so therefore 25 is equal to 2 pi r, and r therefore is equal to 25 over 2 pi. Now I'm not asked to calculate the radius, but I need it for this question, but I'm not asked for it. So I'm not actually going to evaluate what that's equal to. I'm going to leave it in exact form. Now that I've calculated the radius, I can calculate the volume, which I'll call volume 1, of this cylinder. So volume 1 is pi r squared h, that's the volume of a cylinder. So in this case it's pi times 25 over 2 pi squared times by h, which is 15. And if I calculate that, I get 746.04 centimetres cubed. So that's volume 1, the cylinder. Now let's build our cone on top. So a cone looks like this. And you see that the cone is there, and it has a radius the same as the original one, and a height of 7.5 centimeters, half the height of the cylinder. So let's do this calculation. Volume 2, which is the cone's volume, is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, which in this case is 1/3 times pi times 25 over 2 pi squared times 7.5, which is the height. And if I calculate that, I come out with 124.34 centimeters cubed. And thus, my volume is equal to volume 1 plus volume 2, which is equal to 746.04 centimeters cubed plus 124.34 centimeters cubed, and that is equal to 870.38 centimeters cubed, which is equal to 870.38 milliliters, using that straight conversion of 1 milliliter is equal to a centimeter cubed. So there we have it, some common volume to capacity conversion rates, a little bit of a reason why, and a couple of quick examples to show you that in order. All the best.